Hilltop setting with home site approval, well installed, 340 feet at 5 GPM, and sand filter approval. Topography varies from gently sloping to steep. This amazing home site is just waiting for you to fall in love with the views and large 5 acres of privacy and scenery. Wildlife abounds in the desirable Foots Creek area, and the land features many tree species and wildflowers. Although most of the road is there that meanders to the top of the mountain, a new access point directly from Foots Creek Road is needed to connect to the existing road, approx 200 feet. Appraisal on file at $145,000. Don't wait, let's go see it today.